Again, it's Priscilla Batzell. I'm in my studio and I have an old 6 by 6 by 2 inch wide gallery wrap canvas. And I'm hoping that's in focus. Let me make sure that's in focus. Yeah, it looks like we're in focus. Good! So I just did a 12 inch by 24 inch canvas with a shovel, and I have beautiful leftover colors and I want to do an experiment. And that is, I'm going to take a new little fitting, as long as it comes on, and as long as it's not tangled in something else, which it seems to be. Okay, hang on, it's just one of those moments. There we go. Sort of. I got it. It's my mini leaf blower. Gives me a bunch more control, I was thinking maybe. I'm inclined to add a little bit of Aztec gold. And also to take out that thing that I see there that is pretending to be a bubble but is not. So this is my first time using this little doohickey. I'm going to give it a break for a second. Grab some of my white cell activator. Put it right onto one of my little acetate tools. Use some of that black right over the edge. Okay, I'm just going to put it right in there. And if it doesn't work, it's okay. I'll still get some white. I suspect it will work. I'm just eager for it to work too fast. So here goes my, I'm going to use a spatula. A Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. Did I mention? I should mention that these are Prizm pour colors from Colour Arte, and there will be most assuredly a 20% off coupon code that if you purchase using that coupon code, you will help me out because I am an affiliate. What I really wanted to do was test out my theory that you could use leftover colors and create cells by using cell activator, but that doesn't seem true yet. But that shovel is time is up. It's going to go in the bucket right now, and I am going to do what I said I was going to do and use some cell activator, some dioxazine purple, I think, and maybe some gold. Definitely some white to start with. Although that is the nice place I have some cells. Let's just do that anyway. I'm going to go black and white. White and black. Come on, out you come. So now we'll see how this little doohickey works. That works okay. I'll do that with some purple next. I kind of want some red in there, and I have it ready to go. Actually, I'm going to use the pink carnation. Which is obviously having some trouble coming out. Time to clean my tips, I've been saying. I'm going to use a little bit of my gold. And the purple I said I was going to use. It's already, I already like it, so I could stop. Oh, I like how that works. Wow. I'll have to find the link for that. Maybe I'll put it on my Amazon link. I want some more of that white. Now, I really never did the other experiment I was talking about, which was to take the colors that are already there. And I guess I'm just going to sacrifice. Or not. See if we can get any special cells. Pretty sure it'll probably still be cool. At least I can hope so. Oh, I do like how that works. Much more precise. Alright, so this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida. And what else do I want to do here? Not a whole lot. Take some Chantilly lace, which sparkles like diamonds, by the way. And any other color I happen to want, which might be right now some of this mix of Big Apple and Orange Crush. Yeah, that's the ticket right there. And if I have a straw, I need a gentler. Blow. If I want to lead some colors down over the side, I'll do that. I like it. I do. I like it a lot. And it's time for me to go. So thank you guys for being here. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for watching the video all the way through. Thank you for watching the commercials when you do that. That's really appreciated. Thank you for your comments to keep my morale boosted. I'm going to give myself a little spiral there. And a little tail here. A little spiral there. Another one there. Just a little this and that. And then I will zoom in. And hopefully show you guys some sparkle. Ooh, that's gorgeous from up here. I hope you can see that. All right. It makes me want to change a few things. Like the shape of that. Alright, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Check on my Linktree. All kinds of cool stuff there. I do sell my artwork and I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. And I'm thinking, as long as I'm right here, and I've got my pink diamond, and it's coming out, I'm going to use a little bit of it. Because you can't get enough pink diamond. Alright, bye for now. I'll see you anon. Priscilla out. Well, out in a second anyway. Look at those. Oh, wow. Cool. Don't forget there's a 20% off coupon code. I will torch quickly and I will look for bubbles and poke them with the sharp end of a skewer. I love you guys. I think I said that already, but I do. You inspire the heck out of me. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I think I said that twice too. See ya.